Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your Gohighlevel funnel or website. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gohighlevel.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your funnels and sites. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options listed there. Look for and click on the option labeled Sites. This section houses all of your funnels and websites that you've created within Gohighlevel, making it easy to manage everything from one central location. Now, browse through your list of funnels and sites to locate the specific one where you want to add the favicon. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dots positioned beside it. These dots represent the menu icon for that particular funnel or site. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your funnel. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Edit option. This action will open up the editing interface for your selected funnel or site, giving you access to all the customization features and settings you need to modify its appearance and functionality. Once the editor loads, look at the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs or options available there. Navigate to and click on Settings. This is where you can control various aspects of your funnel or site, including SEO elements, tracking codes, and importantly for this tutorial, your favicon settings. In the Settings area, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Favicon URL. The favicon is that small icon that appears in browser tabs, bookmarks, and search results, representing your brand and making your site easily recognizable. Having a custom favicon adds a professional touch to your funnel or website. Directly beneath the favicon URL label, you'll find an empty text field. This is where you'll input the URL of your favicon image. Click into this field and paste or type the complete URL of your favicon file. Make sure the URL is correct and points to a valid image file, typically an ICO, PNG, or SVG format for best browser compatibility. After you've entered your favicon URL, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. There you'll see a Save button. Click on this button to apply your changes and update your funnel or site with the new favicon. Give the system a moment to process and save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom favicon to your Gohighlevel funnel or website, giving it a more professional and branded appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.